Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pell Mell. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be a semi-quick one. This is every 84 Audi Sport Quattro S1 to date. It's 12 models as far as I can tell anyway, starting with the red one in the middle was the original release. And then you had one Super Treasure Hunt, which is right there on the left of the screen, the burgundy-ish red color, Spectre Flame. And I can go over each one if you guys care to watch, or we can just do a quick one. I will probably also have a quick short YouTube video as well of these spinning around and whatnot, but here we go. All right, we're starting with the middle one. This was the original release, which was the all straight red with the white PR5s. Plastic base, of course. This is one of the few castings that I really hype myself over and collect all of them. I have always been a huge fan of the short wheelbase 84 Audi Sport Quattro S1 since I was a kid when they first came out. I've never seen one in real life, and it was a red one like this one time at the Imperial Car Museum back in Vegas a long time ago. All right, next release, I'm probably gonna have these out of order. We'll just go with the Zamac. I'm not even sure. I'm losing track myself. But we have the supposed to be Walmart only exclusive, and it's got the Aero disc white wheels, black plastic base, really nice. And then we'll go with, I forget, I think well actually the second one would have been the white. I believe it was the white basic. And now this one I had customized years ago and put the red monoblock wheels on it and detailed it up a little bit, but you get the idea. But boy, don't they look beautiful when they're detailed, like all the slots and grills and gills, everything looks great when they're detailed. So I think that technically was the second release. Either way, then we'll go with the Super Treasure Hunt, which was of course the red or burgundy Spectre Flame with the white 5-spoke wheels. This also does have a plastic base. You can pick these up really relatively inexpensive now, the Super Treasure Hunt version of that. Next up we'll go with the Cyan Blue one, which is more of a recent. It has the 10-spoke, I think they're 10-spoke wheels, right? It looks like it. 10-spoke white wheels. Number 1 Tampa on the side. Next up we'll go with the yellow. Same wheels, same tampos. Not sure why they did all these color releases, but they sure did. And they then we have the dark green one, which has the chrome Aero disc wheels, number 4 Tampa on the side. At least it's not the number 1 like they reused several times. I like getting that dark green, and they did actually sell the street version in like a dark oak green color at one time. All right, next up we'll do the black, and that has 84 number on it. Yellow and red tampos with white Aero disc wheels, black plastic base, etc. Pretty cool. Then we have this one, came out of the twin pack, which the other car was with that was Lancia Rally 037, I believe, was the other one that partnered up in the twin pack with that one. There's number 2 on there. I'm not a big fan of these chunky kind of JDM style wheels. Not a huge fan of them the wheel choice. Next up we'll do also another car culture one, which I forget which one was this. Was from the Hill Climber set, I think it was called. That's probably my favorite one that they released. It has the semi looking correct 5-spoke wheels that kind of resemble the original Speedline wheels that were 15-inch on the real car. Now this does have a metal yellow base on that one. This is probably my favorite out of all of them, that one. And then the very last one here, I think this is the last one we're going to do, is the one I just opened up. This came out of the transporter set called Track Day, which included the Sauber C9 Mercedes race car and the, what was the Lamborghini SCV V12 or whatever the heck it is. It's kind of ugly, and the one in my box set is all scratched up. The Euro hauler looks pretty good. It's kind of like in a black and gold. I might do a video of that, open that up, since I already opened the box up for this. But this has number 3 on it. As you can see, this is 3. This one was 2. As I drop it, so we have 2 and 3, 1. So I'm sure they knew what they were doing here with this. And then the other one, the other white one, was 4. So you have 1 through 4 of them. But they'll look great all displayed together. I'll get shots here of them. Maybe I'll do individual shots as well. But that's all 12 that I know of. If I'm missing any, please comment down below. Maybe there's some convention special one or something that I don't, that I'm not familiar with. But as far as I can tell, that's all of them. So thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider. It's free. It can be free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. You guys have a good night. Thanks for watching. Bye now.